Dude, the rain's starting to come. I saw a couple of drops. Are we filming it from the ground, not from the roof of the house? 'Cause I don't know what I thought about that. It's just a terrible idea. I get struck by lightning, get smashed in the face by some hailstones, a tornado can come, throw me off the roof, you know, anything can happen. Tree fall on me, you know, whatever. So, I'll be filming the storm from the ground. Okay, I'm just gonna sit right by this tree right here and wait for this storm. Ooh, saw lightning right over there, man. Whoa. Okay. Hmm. Come on, storm, hurry up. Don't got all day, man. Oh, that's why actually I do got all day because I play Xbox all the time sometimes. Okay. Hmm. Ooh. Hear that thunder? Oh, what's that sound? Oh, there's the rain. Ton head right under there again. Ah, rain. Oh, rain got on my iPhone. No. Okay, hurry up. It stopped raining. Wow, what the heck? Oh no, well, there's a little bit of rain left still. I was gonna say, dang man, that was it. Look, there's a bird right up there. Wow, I see it. That's cool. You're flying inside of a thunderstorm. Oh, this storm's lame. Nothing happening. This storm has nothing going on. What the heck? Stupid. This is severe. It said severe thunderstorm warning on it. Come on, what the heck? Is it stalling? It's still raining though, but yeah. Oh, no, that's not gonna work. Oh, there's some thunder finally. I don't know if you guys heard, but I heard a little boom in the background. I don't think my phone got it though. It was really quiet. Because it is like 2 miles away though. There's my Capri Sun I was drinking on the roof. How'd it get down here? I left it on the roof. Oh, wind probably blew it off. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, here it comes. I saw a flash in the background. There is wind to the storm though. There is a little bit of wind though, shit. This is such a bummer. There's no lightning, barely any thunder, nothing. This thing has nothing to it. Sorry, there's water on my phone, so I have to get it off. I think the storm is like stalling, I think. Well, this is Ponzar signing off, and this is a fail thunderstorm video that I'll be uploading to YouTube. Hope you guys have a kick of it. So, well, I saw lightning. Well, anyways, see ya.